I've been talking about the mechanical side of why you want to change your filters, how hard it is on your system. It's also hard on your health if you have a dirty filter like this or a cheap filter like this. It's hard on your health. Bob is our senior comfort specialist, and he's really familiar with the whys, the health reasons why good air filtration is important.
Whole home filters are available in a whole range of filtration effectiveness, right down from the simple 1-inch filters up to the 5-inch hospital grade style filters. The 1-inch filters are not that effective. They're only about 20% effective at stopping the smaller respirable particles. You take a filter like that, you can pour sugar right down through it. So it doesn't really stop a whole lot. Some people will upgrade to the 1-inch pleated filters. The problem with those is that they can become restrictive and can affect the performance of your heating or cooling system. So what we recommend today are the box style filters that are 4 or 5 inches thick. They're very deeply pleated so they can filter well yet not be restrictive to the air system. These filters, this particular one is a Merv 11, and that's important because our bodies filter about Merv 8, our noses and lungs. So we always want to stay above that so that the filter does the work and gives your body a rest. We also have available the Merv 16 filter, and you can see it's even more deeply pleated, so there's a lot more surface area, and it even has a carbon component. Carbon's really good at absorbing odors. Can be anything from cooking to pets, that sort of thing. So again, the standard today is the Merv 11. A really nice upgrade is the Merv 16, and we would be happy to come and help you with any of your home comfort needs by giving us a call.